Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.com. In this video, I'll be showing the trades taken this week, Monday and Tuesday. Right now it's like 8 p.m. Tuesday night here in Miami. So let's get started. This is the first trade, pound yen 7-minute chart, and this is I closed it on Sunday after market opening this week, but the entry was last Friday. You can see here, right? I had a 20-minute entry as well, which I closed on Friday for like 175 pip, but this one I let it go over the weekend and it ended up 225 pip. Using my system, the entry is right there. You can see here buy order and a sell move to break even plus 225 pip in pound yen. Another entry from last Friday, same kind of entry, euro yen 200 pip closed on Sunday. Now this one also Sunday gold going to the upside. Gold went up big time, you know that. So using the system here, you can see the beautiful entry taken by my expert advisor Robert. Buy orders right there for 450, and then gold from $500 side. This is like a little bit more bigger chart, like a 5-minute chart, regular chart, gold chart. Buy orders right there. Another entry for 630 pip going to the upside on 22nd, yesterday, Monday. And this is USD yen going to the downside, 415 pip and 40 up back of the 40-minute chart setup. And then today, 23rd, Euro Aussie, beautiful entry here, 80 pip to the downside, and then gold coming down after making a head and shoulder pattern. It came down a little bit, and then after that, it started going to the upside. My system started. This is the like top and bottom kind of entry. It's not according to my system, this entry. But this one, you can see here clearly that this is a beautiful entry taken by the expert advisor, according to my system, from 200 box size chart, smaller chart for 320, and another one is from 200 same box size, same kind of entry here for 150, and then another one from 500 box size. You can see here recently I just had it 470 pip again. So gold has just been flying, and then my system is keep giving me the entries. So these are, and some of these trades taken almost like nine trades altogether. And also, let me show you that how for example, Euro Aussie, right? So Euro Aussie, I had this chart made on the 18th that this thing is going to go from here, from this level to this level. And then as of today, it came down exactly that, right? From straight to the downside to 23% line. And because of this, I was able to take this trade, this UA. You see that? This one. So it was coming down, gave me the short entry, and then so it was like on a 40-minute chart, it was predetermined that where the heck is gonna go. And after that, I found this short entry, I took it, and this is how easy it is. If you understand the system, you can do wonders in this Forex market, or commodity or gold or any, indices, NASDAQ and all of that. All right. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you can go on my website here. And you have here one-on-one coaching, my system. You can get it on a monthly basis, courses, Elliott Wave, harmonic pattern, all of that. By the way, all my 40-minute setups I post on my Telegram as well. I have a Telegram channel here. You can see that USD yen right now, I posted that it's going to go to the upside, and it is going. Right. This is also Euro Aussie. Now I'm expecting that it will go to the upside. Let's take a look. USD, USDN start to go up. Euro Aussie, I'm still waiting. It came down from there to there, and I had my entry. As soon as it started to go to the upside and gave me a reversal candle, I will look for 7-minute entry, and then if that will happen, then I'll have a trade, and I'll show in my next video tomorrow. So this is how easy it is, followed by the rules, and that's it. You're done. All right. So like I said, that if you want, then you can go on my website here, creativetrading.com, and be a part of my group and start taking trades like this. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. By the way, I have 50% off across the board for Christmas. Anything on my website, It's 50% off. Take advantage of that, especially one-on-one coaching. This course, one-on-one coaching with me, you will learn things that you probably never heard of, and you will become master of this trading business. All right. So this is it. Recording.